Hello everyone. Today I am going to start very important topic of quantitative aptitude, that is the number system. Let us see the first question today is what? On dividing a certain number by 357, the remainder is 39. On the dividing the same number by 17, what will be the remainder? So for this type of question mostly asked in so many exam. Let us see. So here question is what? On dividing a certain number. That means what is the number? It is not given, and divisor given what? 357. The remainder is what? 39. So here remainder is given 39. On dividing the same number, again same number, that number is not given, divided by the same number by 70. So here divisor is what? 17. Then what will be the remainder? We have to find remainder. So here remainder not given, quotient not given, and dividend not given. Here what? Dividend not given and quotient also not given, right? So you know the formula, that is dividend equal to what? Divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. So in this formula, there are the four terms: dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. If any three is given, we can find the fourth one. But here what you are seeing, in the first case only two given, two unknown. We cannot use this formula. Second case only one thing given and three things is not given. So we cannot use direct this formula. And if we will use, it will take a lot of time. So we need a simple technique to solve this question directly. What is the simple technique for this type of the question? The simple technique is what? First you check what is the connection with first divisor and the second divisor. So here the first divisor 357, second divisor 70. If the first divisor is divisible by second divisor, then directly you divide the given remainder by the new divisor. What is the new remainder? That will be your answer. So here first divisor 357, second divisor 70. We are checking if first divisor is divisible by 7 second or not. So 17 2 ja 34, one remainder 70. 17 1 ja 70. Yes, the second divisor is divisible by first divisor. So we can divide the remainder, given remainder, by new divisor. So 17 to the 34, we will get 5 remainder. So our right answer is 5. When this first divisor is not divisible by second divisor, then our answer will be directly data are not sufficient to solve the question, or data are inadequate, or none of these your right answer. So always for this type of question, first check the connection. If this first divisor is divided by second or not. If yes, then divide the remainder, given remainder, by the second divisor. What will be the remainder new? That will be your answer, right? Now let us see the next question. So next question is also very important on the basis of same technique. Let us see this question number 24. That is the next question. So here the next question is what? Our next question is what? A number when divided by 5. Again divided by 5, that it is given divisor 1. Leaves 3 as a remainder. Remainder is given 3. What will be the remainder when a square of this number is divisible divided by 5? So second is divisor 5. So we have to check this connection. If the first divisor and second divisor have a good connection, that means the first divisor is divisible by second divisor not. Yes, 5 divisible by 5. So now we can do the same technique, that divide the remainder by the new divisor. But here slightly different question. What will be the remainder? Square of this number, not the same number. Here what? A square of this number. The square of this number, that means a square of the given remainder. Given remainder square is what? 9. And now divide this number by new divisor 5. 5 1 5, 4 remainder. So our answer will be what? 4. Any question of this type, suppose here given when the cube of this number. So just you find the cube of the remainder and then divide by the second divisor. Suppose it given twice of this number, then just multiply the given remainder by 2 and then divide by the new divisor. You will get your correct answer. Let us see the next question. Next question is also very important question, and here the question is what? When 17 to the power 200 is divided by 18, then find the remainder. So what is the question here? 17 to the power 200 divided by 18, then what will be the remainder? So what we can do? 17 here 18. So we can write 18 minus 1 to the power what? 200. And now divided by 18. So what you know? This 18 can be cancelled. This is the technique. 18 can be cancelled. What will get? Minus 1 to the power 200. You know, negative power even, then we'll get positive 1. So it is what? Only 1 we will get. So our right answer is what? 1. Remainder is 1. So always you can use the technique. Similarly, the second question, let us see. What is the second question? Here, second question is what? 4 to the power 1000 and divided by 7. So 4 to the power 1000 and divided by 7. Then what will be the remainder? You know here 4 and 7. So first we can, this 4 is what? Less than 7. So what we are doing, checking this number so that it is, we can change this number like the number which is divided by 7. So when we go for this number 4q 64, so 4 to the power 3, then what we can write? 3 3 are 9, 3 3 are 9 into what? 4 to the power 1 and then divided by, so you know the format, x to the power mn, so it will give 999 plus 1, that is 1000. So when base is same, we can add the power. So here 4 base, so 999 plus 1, 1000. Now technique is what? Here 4 cube is 64. So what we can write? 64, 63 plus 1 to the power what? 330. And then it is 4 and divided by 7. Now you see 7 9 is 63. What we are getting? Only 1 here. So 1 to the power any number 1. So 1 into multiply 4. So 1 into 4. So our right answer is what? 4. So here correct answer is what? 4. Any question of this type, you can use the technique to solve this type of the question. One more question you see, very important question, this one also. This is the question number of 27. This is also very important question. A common factor of 41 to the power 43 plus 43 to the power 43 and 41 to the power 41 plus 43 to the power 40. So what is the common factor? So always remember for this type of the question, the x to the power m plus a to the power m is always divisible by x plus a when m is what? Odd. X to the power m plus a to the power m is always divisible by what? That is x plus a when m is what? Odd. So here 41 power 43, 43 power 40. So x is 41, a is 43, but power is what? Same. So here what we are getting? 41 to the power 43, 43. This is the option here. 41 to the power 43 and 43 to the power 40. So both, what given? Both power is what? Same. So factor will be what? 41 plus 40. So here 41 plus 40. Same thing here. 41 to the power 41, 43 to the power 40. So again here what we are seeing, that same thing, x to the power a plus x to the power m plus a to the power n. Here power m is same and x and n is. So it is divisible by what? X plus a, 41 plus 43. So this number is also divisible by 41 plus 43 and this is also divisible by 41 plus 43. So our correct answer is what? B option. Right? Now the one last question here. The question is what? Again, this is very important question. What will be the remainder when 19 to the power 100 is divided by 20? Same technique we already explained before. Same thing. 19 to the power 100 and we are dividing by 20. So now you can find very easily. We already explained the technique. 20 minus 1 to the power 100. No problem. 19 we can write 20 minus 1 and divided by 20. So what you know? 20 and 20 cancel out. We will get minus 1 to the power 100. So minus 1 to the power 100 what? Positive 1. So our right answer is what? 1 is our correct answer. Thank you.